Hi, this is Romero with Container Garden Club, and today we are taking a look at the cucumber that we started in milk crates. So this is actually a pickling type of cucumber, so this is going to be a lot smaller, which is ideal for, again, a container garden. But these pickle really nicely, so if you like to make your own gherkins or sweet pickles or anything like that, this is a really great way to do that. This plant has been extremely healthy. I love that it's been flowering so much. The bees absolutely love it, as you can kind of see them going along there. Um, but it's, again, a great way to grow if you really have issues with your back. If you have an issue reaching down, this is just one of the best ways to do that. The main thing is just to really manage the moisture of your plant. Make sure that you don't over or underwater it, and just kind of take care of it throughout the summer, and you'll see that it'll produce quite well. So we'll keep you posted in terms of how this plant continues to produce over the summer. And thank you for joining us. This is Romero with Container Garden Club. Have a wonderful day.